Hello everyone, James Harrington from Polito and Harrington here with this week's installment of the Connecticut Bicycle Accident Attorney Blog. This week I want to talk about a very important topic, and that's what to do when you've been involved in an accident with a fleeing or hit and run motor vehicle. In other words, you're out there riding your bike, you get struck by a vehicle, but that vehicle flees the scene of the accident. This is unfortunately something that cyclists face far too often. So the first thing you want to know is it's critically important to report the matter to the police department. There's a variety of ways in which the identity of the driver might actually be ascertained. So that's the first step. People have dash cams on their cars. There may have been a witness to the accident you weren't even aware of, or nowadays with the prevalence of security cameras on houses and commercial properties, it's possible that the police might be able to pull video which will ascertain who it was who caused your accident. But in the event that you cannot identify that person, one question people have is, well, how do I get compensation for my medical bills, for my lost time from work, or perhaps the damage to my bicycle? Well, the way in which you can do that, believe it or not, is through your own automobile insurance policy. If you own an automobile and have insurance on that policy, it should cover you in the event that you're injured in an accident with a motor vehicle, even if you yourself were not driving the motor vehicle. It's what we call uninsured motorist coverage. And so you should definitely avail yourself of that coverage. Now, one question that people always ask me is, if I make a claim against my own insurance company, won't my rates rise? They shouldn't. We see these claims all day, every day, and the vast majority of them don't involve any issues with rates rising. And at the end of the day, this is the exact reason why you pay your insurance company every single month, so that you have this sort of coverage in the event that you're injured by someone who doesn't have insurance, or whose insurance you're not able to ascertain because they flee from the scene. So this is precisely the reason why you're paying the insurance company in the first place. And moreover, the accident wasn't your fault. So there's really no basis for the insurance company to raise your rates. And in our experience, it's not something you really have to worry about. So you have that avenue to pursue. Always keep that in mind if you are involved in an accident with a unidentified driver.